Hey, we got a Macan, Porsche Macan in here. Pretty nasty little dent. This is aluminum hood. It is pretty stiff, but we're gonna get this out perfect. Nick here is gonna make it perfect.
I'm gonna try for perfect. It'll be perfect. Stiff.
As you can see, he's really cranking on this thing, but feel nice. And so what we're doing here, or what Nick is doing, is it's called cross-checking. So we go at another angle and finish the dent this way. So yeah, you can see how awesome that's coming out. Just getting the very little lows out there now. Yeah, if you were hit with that recent hailstorm or the earlier one this year, then stop by Wyo Dent Company, 1659 Stillwater Avenue.